Out of 10 trades that I took in the month of June, almost 6 hit stop loss, and yet I was profitable. Let me show you how. As I have already mentioned in my earlier videos, even if you have an accuracy of 40 to 50%, you can still be extremely profitable, provided you only take A+ setups and maintain strict risk-reward ratios. I will now show you exactly the stocks that I entered and the setup for the month of June. पहला स्टॉक देखते हैं. It has been consistently making higher lows, confirming that it is in uptrend. अब देखते हैं क्या हमें इसमें एंट्री मिलती है. So it is still making uptrend, gave a big breakout, but we will not enter on a big breakout. We'll wait for the inside candle, or this one is an inside candle, and next day अगर इसके ऊपर जाता है तो we buy, otherwise यहाँ पे हम exit करेंगे and we'll put a target of 1:4. Let's see. So we got an entry, it's going up, and it hit our stop loss. तीसरे ही दिन हम इस ट्रेड से बाहर हो गए. So we lost 10,000 rupees on this stock. Let's look at another stock above 200, and this is on 26th May, but we are looking for trades in the month of June. Let's move forward. So June का महीना शुरू हो गया है, and let's see if we get an inside candle. So we do see a confirmed trend कि चलो नीचे जा रहा था. Now it has started making higher lows. So the stock has started recovering. Maybe we'll get an entry. यहाँ हमें entry मिली, and let's see if this works. We will be in this trade, and then oops, तीसरे ही दिन हम इसमें से बाहर हो गए. So we lost another 10,000. So approximately, if we had taken a risk of 10,000, we would have lost 60,000 in these 6 trades. You would have also noticed that our stop loss is triggered within 2 or 3 days of making an entry. It helps us release the precious capital and deploy it in more profitable and stronger stocks. This was one of the very first trades where we made a good amount of profit. Let's say ये आपसे miss भी हो गया, तब भी क्या आप profitable रहते हैं? Let's look at this stock. It's already comfortably above 200 moving average, and it's going up pretty well. And this is approximately we are seeing in the month of May. Let's see if we get a trade in June. So the price has already gone up a lot. Do you think we can still make good profit in this stock? We are waiting for an inside candle on a swing low. So तकरीबन 11 जून के आसपास हमें एक यहाँ पे एंट्री मिलती है. We'll have a pretty tight stop loss, and we'll target 1:4. So there was this another inside candle. आपका पहला वाला अगर आपका रह गया तो इसमें भी एंट्री हो सकती थी, and then see how it moves. So 1:4 is now achieved. We can target 1:5 or 1:6 also. Let's see if we can achieve 1:5 भी achieve कर चुका था. Let's say target 1:6. So if this continues and it works in our favor, we will make around 60,000 on this. So it's today is 10th July, and this stock is still on. We can keep trailing it at 1:5, and let's see. So you're already sitting on 50,000 profit in this stock. Let's look at this stock now. It's making higher lows and it is above 200 moving average. So these are the higher lows. This is the 200 moving average. Let's see if we get an entry in the month of June. So now we have a pretty good swing, and this will be a good entry. So we put a target of 1:4. And see where it goes. So we got an entry on one day after the formation of inside candle, and so this stock is still running. You would have noticed that the Nifty was flat, and yet we were able to identify strong stocks that delivered 1:5 or 1:6 returns, which in net rupee term means on a risk of 10,000, you would have made 50 to 60,000 per trade. And even if you had taken all the 6 losing trades and had lost 60,000 and had taken 2 or 3 of these trades, you would have still ended up in net profit in the month of June. It is important to identify stocks which can give us 1:4 to 1:6 risk reward ratios. But it is also extremely important to identify the stocks that we should not enter into. And that is exactly what I teach in my mentorship program, to identify strong stocks and to eliminate the weak stocks. In today's examples, where some of our stocks had hit stop loss, we would not have taken those trades because we know exactly the setup which contributes to weaker stocks. In the next episode, we will see some examples of chart setup that we should not trade and help preserve our capital.